Welcome to 300 Minnie Way. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home located here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, sitting on 1.25 acres, almost 2,700 square feet inside. Come on in, we'll show you around. This home features 2 dining rooms, one with the sliding doors here, and a fully finished basement. This property is an entertainer's dream, with an in-ground pool, a pool house with seating up top, and views from one of Bowling Green's highest points. 300 Minnie Way is truly a rare find.